part of our services is really knowledge management as a service, if you
Yep,
think about it
yep,
that way. Yeah, I think a lot of organizations are overwhelmed by the daunting task of knowledge management, and
yep,
believe me,
absolutely.
it's a big beast to wrap your arms around. But luckily, we've created some processes,
Mhm.
around maintaining that in in a more efficient manner. But I think what at least when I was coming in, something that I struggled with, and then something in the quality management world I saw people struggling with was all of the knowledge articles would be probably written by a subject matter expert, an architect, an engineer that may have 10, 15, 20 plus years experience either at that firm or with the technology.
Yep,
So when they're writing things like, say, for a password reset on on-prem Active Directory, there's a maybe a 10-step process to do that from start to finish, and they would write it starting at step 7. Right? So like there's some assumptions made, like, hey, you need to hit this server, you need to go here, you need to do that, you need to do this
yeah,
to get to step 7. And and you see that throughout the entire knowledge base. So there's almost
right.
like this tribal knowledge that you need to have in order to
Yeah,
use knowledge in an efficient manner, and be efficient with your calls,
right.
deliver a great experience. And what we've tried to do is think of the service desk analyst as our customer from the knowledge management perspective, and to think of if it were someone's first phone call, could they be successful?